Делаем ремонт на доме. С сыном ложим ламинат.
Wake up with the morning sun, feel the love, the day's begun. Breathing light, my heart feels bright. Everything is feeling right. Open heart and peaceful mind. Beautiful moments I will find. Step by step I'm on my way. Grateful for this brand new day. It's gonna be a good day.